What's that?
I can't remember if it was here or there.
How much was the oil change on that?
15,000. Oh.
1912 right there. That's pretty awesome.
Well, if you're driving in the rain and if you are out of luck if it starts raining. Boy, you have to have one of them umbrella hats.
Yeah, look how high the seating is on the 1912 though. They got you up in the sky.
Yeah, that's okay. I like sitting up here. You were looking at from the parking lot.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
27.
Nice 1927 Cadillac.
That's on air ride. From Stan Hewitt Hall to this piece is arteries.
They still have one at Stanley. I think they have one at Bull.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I think the stand.
Joe? Different dates?
Yeah. They do a few a year, I believe.
You already got a band on your wrist. I like this camping. Look how narrow they are. 2 butts for the
Lights, gas, show.
That's for a skinny bucket. Oh my God, look at that trunk, babe.
Yeah.
You fit that. It fit 2 suitcases and that's it.